Two young people are returning home from overseas and want to provide the world with the perfect products of their dreams. They call it Crazy Hsinda. Buying 10,000 square meters of standard factory buildings in National Industrial Zone, they call it Crazy Hsinda. Set up independent products and color matching research and design centers, they call it Crazy Hsinda. We use better resins from DSM to enhance its higher pass rate and performance. They call it Crazy Hsinda. We use better pigments to ensure better covering, more spray area, stronger anti-ultraviolet and weatherability, and 30 to 40 micron thickness coating requirements. They call it Crazy Hsinda. We use higher resin content to ensure superior quality and higher rate of coating ratio. They call it Crazy Hsinda. We provide higher stability between order and order only to get your higher product's quality pass rate, higher customer satisfaction, and less customer complaints. They call it Crazy Hsinda. We break the powder coating industry field barriers, make you know how to distinguish the quality of the powder to help you build up a complete standard and testing standards for the quality of the powder paint. They call it Crazy Hsinda. We only get a reasonable profit and make you clear about the cost structure and the calculation method without reservation. There is no doubt that they call it Crazy Hsinda. Forget about the crazy. We would rather call it Courageous Hsinda. With this coverage, we have obtained more than 10 patents for science and technology. With this coverage, our research and development achievements have been supported by the government's funds. With this coverage, we have the opportunity to establish strategic cooperation with Sichuan University, Sichuan Fine Arts Institute, China Institute of Nuclear Power Research and Design, and the Second Research Institute of CAAC. With this coverage, we are fortunate to be recognized by Hitachi Elevator, Yantai Elevator, Changhong, TCL, Xiaomi, Wecom, Shuangkai, and other famous customers. With this coverage, Hsinda products have covered more than 70 countries all over the world. Hsinda, coloring the future.